We're looking at factoring these trinomials. I'm going to give you several examples that you can have to look at while helping you to work on your problems in preparation for our test. Remember, when we're factoring, the first thing we want to look for is a common factor in every term. These two terms share the common factor of 4, but this term does not have that factor. So we don't have a common factor in every term, so we don't have any common factor to divide out. Remember, to divide out a common factor, it must be present in every term of the polynomial. So this is a trinomial. And remember that trinomials, when they factor into the product of two binomials. We'll put in our signs next by performing our analysis. How can we get a plus? It would have to be either a minus times a minus or a plus times a plus. And since this sign is addition, that tells us that it was two additions in the binomials that gave us plus 12. Now, the next thing we do is list the first term of the trinomial's factor pairs. And the factor pairs there would be x times x. Then we go to the third term of the trinomial and list its factor pairs. Well, there are a few more there. There's 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4. And now we choose one from each group to put into the binomials and test the O and the I of FOIL until we find the grouping that makes plus 8x. Well, there's only one possibility that we're interested in there in the first positions. That's the x times x. And now we have to choose from 1 and 12, 2 and 6, or 3 and 4. And if we look at here at the number there, the number there is 8. Is there one of those pairs that might make an 8? And if we look at it, we can see that, well, the 2 and the 6 might make an 8 if we were adding them together. So let's try that as our first attempt to see if that works. The O of FOIL would give us plus 6x. The I of FOIL gives us plus 2x. And those two combine to plus 8x, and we have our factors